packing up.
Making sure the really important things get in.
It's 3 a.m. Let's go to Colorado. Little car problems.
Matt from the future here. So when we were driving through Nebraska, our battery light came on and we pulled off quickly and found out that it was our alternator. And so we had to be in this little store in the middle of Nowheresville, Nebraska and see if they could help us out.
Killing time while we wait for the alternator to be fixed.
Hot Pockets! Hot Pockets! In only about 2 hours, it got fixed and we were on our way.
Welcome to Colorado! We made it!
We're here. Morning.
Good morning from Denver and the Downing House.
Morning poetry spot.
We're staying again with our good friend Janine. Thanks, Janine. And this morning we're making some pancakes.
Beautiful sunny morning at the Downing House.
We're gonna go to Costco and then go thrifting and maybe get some coffee. It was a successful thrifting day. Sample hunting while we pack up for the mountains.
Judah likes the golf course.
Thrifting again.
Taco night. go. Yeah. And right up there is Red Rocks.
Super cool trail. We've been bouldering the whole way. It's great. We got up way farther than we did last year when we came out this way. It's awesome.
Cool little fort. Gideon down there on the rock. The boys in the tree just beneath him. Denver in the distance. Now down. Yeah, baby.
Cubby where we took a break.
Epic, Abel. Nice.
Begin by settling into your body.
There's the van. Right down there.
Thinking, softening, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Out. Invite it in.
We had some scared people along the way through, but that was really an awesome hike. Glad that we got it. Back at down in the house after
How about no?